Tough jobs demand tough products. In the world of grounds maintenance and debris management, you haven't seen anything like this. This revolutionary front-end blower system combines the performance of a tow-behind blower with the mobility of a handheld. Mount this 200-mile-per-hour blaster and see how Umount boosts your UTV into a multiple-task workhorse with split-second directional blowing at your fingertips. With its ability to be front-mounted to any grounds vehicle, the Umount delivers incredible performance and versatility needed to get the job done. We're introducing an entirely new category of blower systems: mid-range, tough, versatile, mobile, and ready to mount to your utility task vehicle.